Hi friends, wishes of the day. This is CA Jayesh Gupta and I am now part of Samvit Academy. We have come out with programs relating to CA final on its training and I am involved with the direct tax paper. This video is intended to reach out to you people and make you understand about certain nuances and ideas about direct taxes so that it gives you a comfort level before you join into the program. There are a lot of issues which have been faced by students, which has come to my knowledge, and I'll be addressing all of them in this small short video of 5 to 10 minutes. 2-3 minutes about my background. I qualified it as a CA in May 1999 and then worked with KPMG in the tax and regulatory department for about 3 years. Post that, I am continuing with my practice and teaching in the areas of direct tax, international tax, Foreign Exchange Management Act, which is Exchange Control Regulations, GST, Customs. These have been my core areas of practice, including those in offshore units like SEZ. I have my offices at Delhi, Kolkata, Varanasi, Ahmedabad and Bangalore. It is out of sheer fascination and love for teaching and academics that since 2000, since I was working with KPMG, followed by Pricewaterhouse, a small stint, I had been teaching. It was my love for academics. And since then, students have shown tremendous love and passion towards the academics which I have delivered to them. Once again, it is sheerly out of passion that I am into it and addressing the needs of the students. One, which is required is whether it is very difficult to do direct taxes. The answer is very simple. It's your love about the subject, whether you love it or you don't love it. If you love, it's very simple. If you do not love, I will make it simple. Second, is it difficult to remember? Yes, it's voluminous. Therefore, it's difficult to remember provided you sit down to do everything on earth. But we would do a trade-off between the examination as well as my learning process. I need to do a trade-off. I cannot remember everything in the exam. So we would try and understand the provisions of the law, which will give me some practical sight as well as gives me a capability to handle my examination and score a good level of marks. Will the classes be held in English? Answer, exclusively in English unless someone demands an explanation in Hindi or otherwise, whether after the session or before the session. But all training programs exclusively in English. Fourth, what technique or skill will we be adopting? My practical experience tells me that instead of explaining the theory to a child is able to retain better if the practical nuances are explained to him. For example, if you are watching a video on how to cook a particular meal, even though you may write it down, but subsequently when you actually go to cook it, you will not be able to recall the sequence, quantum or the process. As a result, the desired taste is not achieved. On the contrary, while the video is running, if you are simultaneously cooking the particular meal, then you will see you by that time have already learned how to cook it. You need not write it down. As a result, our approach would be a more practical oriented approach where we will try and analyze the provision not theoretically but through practical illustrations and resolving questions which have come in examination. For example, I will not go ahead and tell you separately and explain what is 43B or what are the disallowances. Rather, we will pick up a couple of numericals which have come in exam and understand what challenge a particular thing or particular adjustment throws up in 43B in a numerical format. That will enable you to remember without putting in much efforts because you have understood it practically. That will also reduce my timeline, first to explain and then to apply. As above, this being a fast track course. Fifth, you all will appreciate that the English words like comment, analyze, write in brief, discuss, they do not mean the same. However, insofar as a student is concerned, what difference it makes whether ICI is asking you to discuss, critically analyze, comment. You will write down whatever you want and whatever you know. Perhaps you do not know how to draft an answer when a discussion is asked, when a comment is asked, when analyzing is asked. So it would be equally important for a child to understand not only the principles of law, but also to gauge and understand what has been asked. And that is going to be one of our important skill set in this training program, how to identify what has been asked, address that particular point in the desired manner. That is where your score gets a raise and you do not get a hit. This idea of bringing in a practical touch is based out of my experience, which I have shared with my articles, other students' feedback, and obviously the writing skills, which are equally important. We'll be pressing upon that. We would be covering the most relevant provisions of the law for examination, because in this fast track batch, you will appreciate that you do not want to become a learned scholar or a pandit on direct access. The next important aspect would be exam focus. How to quickly remember it for my examination? How do I revise before my exam? How do I deal with it? One day to go. What are the important things which I should do? Etc., etc., etc. All this we'll be covering. The latest case laws which we feel is important. The latest circulars and amendments which we feel is important. Apart from what has been covered, if a child thinks and comes up, no sir, I want to do something more additional, definitely we at Samvit will try and cover it for you. You are least bothered leaving all your worries for the examination to us on our shoulders. I promise that your experience about CA education would change once you attend the direct tax sessions. Thank you so much. I would be coming up with another short video maybe after a couple of days. Till then, be happy and stay blessed. Bye-bye.